morning, hello. Good morning, hello. Good morning, hello. Good morning, hello. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Good morning, hello. 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 Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Good morning, hello.
Good morning, friends. How are you today? Very good. Are you fine? How are you, Sasa? Well done. How are you, Alba? How are you, Noah? Well done. How are you, Joan? Well done. Now we have to ask our friend the snail. What is the snail? In the closet. He's in the closet. I think he is sleeping. He's sleeping, so we have to wake him up. Let's count him. Okay, prepare your hands. 1, 2, 3. Amen. He's still sleeping. Let's try again. Louder. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Wake up. Ah, he's awake now. Look. Good morning, friends. How are you? Really good. How are you, Snake? Hi. Look at the snake. He has many colors on it. Which color is this one? Yellow. Very good. Which color is this one? Orange. Martha, which color is this one? Red. Well done. What about this? Blue. Well done. And look at the snake. How is he? He's happy to see you. Very good. And are you happy? Yes. I want to see a big smile on your face. We have to be happy to be here. Very good. So now, this is going here. What's in here? What did you say his name? He wants to know the days of the week. Did you know the days of the week? Yes. The days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Very good. And what season are we in? Autumn. That's right. Very good. And what's the weather like today? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Like today. Look out through the window. Look out through the window. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, today the helper is gonna be Celia. Celia, look through the window. Let's check the weather. What's the weather like today? Today is sunny. What's the weather like today, Celia? Sunny. Very good. So it's your friend. Friends, today is sunny. Very good. Sun, 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 sun. Hit my hand. Hit my hand. Rain, 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 rain. Go away. Go away. Very good, Celia. Look here. Well done. And sit down. So now, look, friends. What is this? A boy or a girl? It's a girl. Very good. Like Inés, Celia, Alba, Sara, Carla, Noah, Sofia, Marta, the teacher Anna and the teacher Patrick. We are girls. Very good. And what is this? A boy. Very good. Sit down here, Celia. Next to Pau. That's it. This is a boy like Pau, Sasha, Nacho, Ike, Joan, Daniel, and Luis. They are boys. And look at this boy, friends. How is he? He's happy. Very good. What about now? we have to be happy. And now let's play again with the colors. So I'm ready. This one for Sarah, for Alba, for Iker, Sofia, Marta, Carla, Sasha, and Julia. For example, what is the color blue? Who has the color blue? What is the color blue? Sophia has it. Very good, Sophia. Show it to your friends and say, look, friends, this is the color blue. Very good. Come here, let me see it. Good job, Sophia. Sit down. Now I want the color green. Green. Who has the color green? Very good, Iker. Come here. Show it to your friends. Show it to your friends, like this. There. Look, friends, that's the color green. Say green. Well done, leave it here. Nice job. Go back to your place. Now I want the color pink. Pink. Where's the color pink? Very good, Alba. Come here. And show it to your friends. Hey, look, friends, that's the color pink. Well done. Leave it here. Good job, Alba. Now I want the color red. Red. Very good, Sasha. Marta has it. Bring it here, Marta. Well done. Show it to your friends. Look, this is the color red. Well done. Leave it here, Marta. Good job. Sit down. Now I want the color yellow. Yellow. Very good, Sarah. Show it to your friends. Say, this is the color yellow. Very good, Sarah. Leave it here. Now I want the color orange. Orange. Celia has the orange. Very good, Susa. Very good, Celia. Show it to your friend, Celia. Well done, Daniel. Look, this is orange. Leave it here, Celia. Great. Sit down. Now I want the color purple. Purple. Very good, Susa. Come here. Show it to your friends. Say, look, this is the color purple, but on the other side, look, like this. Purple. Well done. Leave it here. And the last one, who has the color black? Very good. Come here, Carla.